Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in medical college. Medical school demands a strategic approach to learning. Instead of just reading, actively engage with the material. This means asking questions, connecting concepts, and applying what you learn. Spaced repetition, like reviewing material at increasing intervals, significantly boosts long-term memory. Aim for at least 3 review sessions for critical topics. Consistent self-quizzing, perhaps for 15 minutes daily, helps solidify your understanding and identify knowledge gaps. Effective time management is crucial for success in medical college. Develop a realistic study schedule, allocating specific blocks for different subjects. Prioritize high-yield topics that frequently appear on exams, focusing about 70% of your time there. Don't rely on just one resource. Integrate textbooks, lecture notes, and online question banks. Solving at least 50 practice questions per day can dramatically improve your performance and understanding of clinical applications. Collaborative learning can be incredibly beneficial. Joining a study group allows you to discuss challenging concepts, clarify doubts, and even teach your peers, which reinforces your own understanding. Remember, your well-being is paramount. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to optimize cognitive function. Fuel your body with nutritious meals and snacks. Additionally, 20 to 30 minutes of daily physical activity can significantly reduce stress and enhance your ability to concentrate during long study sessions. As you progress, actively connect basic science to clinical applications. Think about how a disease mechanism relates to patient symptoms or treatment. Continuous review is key. Dedicate about 1/4 of your study time to revisiting older material. This prevents the forgetting curve from taking hold. Don't hesitate to seek feedback from your professors or mentors. Their insights can provide invaluable guidance, helping you refine your study strategies and excel in your medical education journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.